Clearing the air. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, clear the air. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it in conversation? By the end of this video, you'll be able to use clear the air like a native speaker. When someone says they want to clear the air, they're talking about removing any confusion or bad feelings that exist. Imagine a room full of smoke, and then someone opens a window to let fresh air in. It's a metaphor for resolving issues so that everyone can move forward with a clear understanding. The phrase, clear the air, dates back to times when the quality of air would physically affect people in a room. Just like clearing out smoke or a foul smell, the phrase evolved to mean clearing up social or emotional tension. You can use clear the air in formal and informal situations. For example, after a disagreement, you might say, "Let's clear the air and discuss what happened." In a business meeting, if there is confusion, you could suggest, "We should clear the air about our project goals." Let's see some examples of how clear the air is used in different contexts. Personal relationships. I felt much better after I talked to Maria and we cleared the air. Workplace scenarios. The team meeting helped to clear the air about the recent changes. Clear the air is a powerful phrase that can help improve communication and relationships. We hope this video cleared the air about how and when to use this expression. Happy speaking, and see you in our next video.